It's recording.
There it is. Okay.
Okay, so this is my dog, Raphael. And he's playing with his dish like he always does. Yeah.
Got it from the side.
This is my first video. Look right in there. Rappy, smile. Come on. Hey, Roo. Rappy. Hey, Rappy, look up here. Rappy, come here. Hey. Come here. Come here. Where's your food dish? Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Come here. Look at me. Look at me. Rappy. Hey, Rappy. Come here. Hey, look at me. Come here. Let me have your food dish. Let go. Let go. He's gonna break his teeth one day. Or hurt himself. I don't know. Grr. Let go. Let go.
Don't struggle too much when you let that.
I'm not trying to. Come here. Let go. Go. Let go. You're not going to give this up, huh, Roo? We call him Roo. Because when he barks, it sounds like he's saying, like, Roo, Roo, Roo. Come on.
Let put him.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep, that's him.
Yeah.
He's wagging his tail because he wants to play. He looks so cute, doesn't he?
He's got it.
Yeah, he won't let go. There's his face.
Let go.
There's
Thank
his
you.
face.
Thank you. Thank you. What happened to giving
You're
it to me?
supposed to say drop it.
Well, I used to say thank you. Drop it. Drop it.
Drop it. He won't listen.
Hey.
He won't listen unless you have a treat.
No.
So.
No.
Dad, don't pull it too hard.
Well, he's never done that before. He's
Yeah,
always
he
dropped it.
has.
Not for me, he hasn't.
Oh, yeah.
Happy.
Thank
Good
you.
boy. Yeah, way to go, Poppy.
I'm not sure if that was that good a puppy.
Well, he let go.
Now you want him to play with it, don't you?
No. Okay.
I don't think we want him to.